get into today's topic. Today I'm going to explain you about POK, which means Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and also the disputes surrounded to it. Let's start. At the time of partition of India in 1947 or at the time of independence, the British abandoned their suzerainty over the princely states, which were left with the options of joining India or Pakistan or even remaining independent. Raja Harsingh, the Maharaja of Jammu and Kashmir, wanted his state to remain independent, but Muslims in western Jammu province, which means current Azad Kashmir, and the frontiers districts province, had wanted to join Pakistan. So, in 1947, an uprising against the Maharaja broke out in Poonch, an area bordering the Rawalpindi division of West Punjab. And on October 21, several thousand Pashtun tribesmen from northwest frontier province poured into Jammu and Kashmir to liberate it from the Maharaja's rule. They were led by experienced military leaders and were equipped with modern arms. The Maharaja crumbling forces were unable to withstand the onslaught because they are even supported by Pakistan's army. The raiders captured the towns of Muzaffarabad and Baramulla, the latter 32 kilometers northwest of the state capital Srinagar. On October 24, the Maharaja requested military assistance from India, but India responded, only if you want to join the Indian continent, then we will give you military assistance, or else we will not going to help you. So Maharaja Harsingh accordingly, on October 26, 1947, signed an instrument of accession handing over control of Jammu and Kashmir to India in return for military aid. Indian troops were immediately airlifted into Srinagar. Pakistan intervened subsequently. Fighting ensured between the Indian Army and Pakistan Army, with the two areas of control more or less stabilized around what is now known as line of control. But then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru had stopped the war in between. Even it is very easier to capture the whole Kashmir and made an historical mistake. It's a big mistake. Till now, the people are not going to or not able to correct it. The then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru did. He stopped the war and later approached the United Nations asking it to resolve the dispute, and resolutions were passed in the favor of holding of a plebiscite with regard of Kashmir's future. Following the 1949 ceasefire agreement with India, the government of Pakistan divided the north and western parts of Kashmir it controlled at the time of ceasefire into the following two separately controlled political entities. They are Azad Kashmir and Gilgit Baltistan. At one time, under Pakistan control, Kashmir's Shaksgam Tract, a small region along the northeastern border of Gilgit-Baltistan, was provincially ceded by Pakistan to People's Republic of China, or now China, in 1963, and now forms part of China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. We see Azad Kashmir. Azad Kashmir, which means a free Jammu and Kashmir, is a region administered by Pakistan as a nominally self-governing jurisdiction, and it having border with Pakistan and Union Territory of India, Jammu and Kashmir, and also the territory has a parliamentary form of government modelled after the British Westminster system with its capital located at Muzaffarabad. The president of AJK is the constitutional head of state, while the prime minister, supported by council of ministers, is the chief executive. The unicameral Azad Kashmir Legislative Assembly elects both the prime minister and president. Also, the territory has its own Supreme Court and also a High Court, while the government of Pakistan's Ministry of Kashmir's Affairs and Gilgit-Baltistan serves as a link between itself and Azad Kashmir and Kashmir's government. Although the autonomous territory is not represented in the Parliament of Pakistan, only by for name the Azad Kashmir having its own jurisdiction and its own constitution, but all the affairs, all the defense, and all the communication systems are controlled by Pakistan. Also, it is named as Autonomous Region of Pakistan. The AJK has population of 4.45 million plus, and its total land area subtends up to 13,297 square kilometers. It having total 4 divisions: Mirpur, Muzaffarabad, Poonch, only sorry 3, and total 10 districts: Mirpur, Kotli, Bimbar, Muzaffarabad, Hatia, Neelam, Poonch, Haveli, Bagh, Sudan. Next, Gilgit Baltistan. It is the northern portion of the larger Jammu Kashmir region, which has been the subject of dispute between India and Pakistan since 1947, so far all you know. Gilgit-Baltistan is 6 times bigger than the Azad Kashmir, and it will run under the special consultancy of Pakistan's president. It having land over 28,174 square kilometers, and it's had an estimated population about 1.2 million according to 2013, and it having only governor, not chief minister, which was appointed by Pakistan government. And now it was being suppressed by Pakistan government and being pressuring the people of Gilgit Baltistan to give their lands to CPAC agreement, which means China Pakistan Economic Corridor, which is called you know is a collection of projects, which means it worth $87 billion. Do another video on CPAC agreement and its map, all about it, and also I'll do an next video about the struggles and pressures the Pakistan government pressuring the people of Gilgit Baltistan and its people. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos and updates, stay tuned to this channel, and thanks for your support. And also let your friends know this channel and share this channel to your friends and family members, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you once again.